for drum, we bang and play, making music every day. D is for doll, with dress so bright, she waves hello and says good night. D is for door, we open wide and step into the world outside. D is for desk, where we draw and write, with colors red and blue and white. D is for things we see each day, let's find the D's in a fun new way. Point to the D words all around, let's make the D sound, a do this sound. D is for duck, so yellow and sweet, waddling on his little feet. D is for dice, with numbers to show, roll it fast or roll it slow. D is for dish, where food is placed, tasty meals we love to taste. D is for drawer, pull it out, what's inside, let's find out. D is for things we see each day, let's find the D's in a fun new way. Point to the D words all around, we love the D sound, to do this sound.
Legs are strong and full of fun. A-R-M, that's an arm, lifting toys and full of charm. I wave hello, I hug you tight, my arms feel happy day and night. L-E-G and A-R-M, we move and stretch. Learn words that are short and sweet. T-O-E, that's a toe. Wiggle it fast or wiggle it slow. Inside socks or in the sand, toes help us to walk and stand. L-I-P, that's a lip. Blowing kisses, zip, zip, zip. Smiling big and singing loud, my lips are happy, strong and proud. L-E-G and A-R-M, we move and stretch again and again. T-O-E and L-I-P, now you know them, yippee, yippee. Laughter far and near, whisper songs, a puppy's bark.